Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be changing a MacBook battery. The MacBook we are going to be changing today is MacBook Air. So this is our battery. This is the screwdrivers we are going to be using to loose the back of our MacBook and also the battery itself. So if you got yours from a reputable source, you are going to be given these Allen key screwdrivers here. It's going to come with the battery. Okay, so this is the Allen key screwdrivers, and then this is our battery. So we are going to start by loosening all these screws we have at the edge of our MacBook. So when you try to use one of the screwdriver and it doesn't fit, you switch to the other one. So when you are done, you gently lift the back cover. Gently. And then we are still going to be losing all these screws here. The battery is also having screws, so you are still also going to be losing all these screws here. So the battery itself have about 4 screws. So always remember, the back screws here has a bigger size, while the front screws are smaller in size. So when you are done, you gently lift this battery connector, gently, and then you take the battery out. So you are going to be replacing with a new battery. So you place it in the right position. This connector, you push it back a bit so it will fit well, and then you press. So once you are done, you should hear a click sound. That means the battery is intact. So you continue by screwing the battery back into position. So now our battery is back into position. So you take the back cover and then you place on the back. So you screw back all the screws you have. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.